No, you're not seeing double. I have some bad news. So let this be a PSA for anybody out there that's interested in purchasing the new Google Pixel Buds. You see, at first, I was all jazzed up, ready to give this my stamp of approval. And initially, that was the case. These things are awesome. The package, the feel, the size, everything was awesome. Except, I started having connection issues. And I thought that maybe, I would try resetting it, I would try restarting it, maybe updating the firmware, doing what I need to do to troubleshoot these to make sure that I'm getting the best connection that I possibly can. Unfortunately, there's been articles all over the interwebs of a lot of people experiencing the same thing. And you know what? This is ridiculous. This is completely ridiculous. These are $180. There should be no connection issues whatsoever. So what typically happens is when you're taking a walk, you're taking a jog, this quarantine season, I just want to get out and do something else besides being inside the house at all times. And so I put these on and I got my cell phone in my pocket and I'm walking, I'm jogging, I'm having a good time, and connection. And it's so annoying. I've tried everything. I don't know. I'm just really PO'd that at this price, I just don't get it. Google is a multi-billion-dollar company and they can't get their earbuds right. They can't get their connection right. I don't get it. So I reached out to them. They, walked me through all the troubleshooting steps. I told them I test out products as a side hustle, and so I know kind of what I need to do in order to get the best updated firmware and connection possible. And unfortunately, it's a hardware issue. I don't believe it's a software issue, because after all the troubleshooting and chatting and all that good stuff, they realized like, hey, we'll just send you out a new pair. Hopefully that'll do the trick. And I was hoping for the best as well, but as you can see, I got two pairs here, and I'm sending them both back because they both experienced the same issue. So needless to say, don't buy these. Save your money. Get yourself some better pair of earbuds. Get yourself, look at these Anker Soundcores. You can get them for about $130. So they're less. Yeah, they're bigger. They have a much bigger punch, a much better sound. And as far as connection issues, I have not experienced any connection issues with these whatsoever. So yeah, the Pixel Buds, they gotta go. So I just wanted to make a quick update video to my first reaction. And if anybody else has picked these up and they've had the same issues, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you fixed the issue. Let me know what Google did, if Google did anything. Right now, I'm kind of in a battle with them because they're not sure if they're going to refund me my money. But I guarantee you, they're going to give me my money back because this is ridiculous. But if you're still interested in maybe another pair of earbuds, I'll put a list in the description below of different earbuds that I really enjoy, that I think you would as well, that definitely don't have connection issues, if you know what I mean. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Handsome Gadgets. Thank you, and have a good one.